Hi guys, welcome to Michi's Kitchen. To make this yummy sauce, I've listed the ingredients and instructions for you to follow. So the first thing you do is to roast your pepper, different peppers with ginger, onion and garlic, and blend it into a fine smooth paste. So the next thing is to pour your onions into an already bleached palm oil and stir together flavor. Then you pour in your iru, which is locust beans. You pour in your already blended pepper mix and stir. At this point, you add your seasoning cubes and your salt. You add your fish. You add your eggs. More eggs if you have. Then stir it together to make sure that everything comes together to give you a sweet taste. Allow to boil for some minutes. You add your crayfish. After adding your crayfish, you allow to boil for some time. Then you pour in your fried meat. You can use any protein of your choice. After pouring in your protein, you mix it for everything to come together to give you that desired sweet taste.